With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, we have this question. Two conducting wires of the same material and of equal length and equal diameters are first connected in series and then in parallel. In an electric circuit, the ratio of the heat produced in series and parallel combinations would be. So we are given that wires are of same material and both have same length and same diameter. What does it mean? It means that both the wires have same resistance. So I am assuming that R will be resistance for the wire. Then both wire have R resistance. And in first they are connected in series. So suppose these are two resistors. I am connecting them in series. So I'm assuming that both are connected to a V volt battery source. So then current in the circuit will be I, which will be equals to V upon R equivalent. So I will be V upon R equivalent. R equivalent will be 2R as we have R in series. And in second case, it says that both are connected in parallel. So when both are connected in parallel, with same V volt, then current in branch will be say I. So I will be V upon R equivalent as both are in parallel. So R equivalent will be, so what will be R equivalent? 1 upon R equivalent is equals to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R. So R equivalent will be R upon 2. So we have I is equals to V upon R equivalent. So I in second case will be V upon R equivalent, which is R by 2. So we are getting I is equals to 2V upon R. Now we have to compare ratio of heat produced in series and parallel. So heat produced in series, let's say HS, will be I square R equivalent. We have I is equals to V upon 2R. So V square upon 4R square into R equivalent, which is 2R. So heat produced in this case will be V square upon 2R. And heat produced in parallel, let's say HP, will be V square upon, or we can say I square R, which is 4V square upon R square into R square by 4. So heat produced in this case will be V square, which is 4V square upon R square. This is I square into R. R is R by 2. R by 2. So this is coming out to be 2V square upon R. So we have to find ratio of them in series and parallel, that is HS upon HP. So HS is V square upon 2R and HP is 2V square upon R. So HS upon HP will be 1 by 4, which is equals to 1:4 ratio. This will be ratio of heat produced in series and parallel combination. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.